Imagine the universe's most extreme earthquakes. Not on Earth, but on neutron stars, the super-dense collapsed cores of massive stars. These cosmic titans are so compact, a sugar cube of neutron star material would weigh as much as Mount Everest. When their incredibly rigid crust cracks under immense stress, it unleashes what we call starquakes. These aren't your average tremors. A single starquake can release more energy in a fraction of a second than our sun will in its entire lifetime. Scientists have even linked these violent events to sudden bursts of X-rays observed from neutron stars, like the famous event from the pulsar-designated PSR J0537-6910. It's like the universe's most powerful seismic alarm going off. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember these incredible tiny objects are capable of cataclysmic shaking. Starquakes are a powerful reminder of the astonishing, energetic forces at play in the cosmos, a universe constantly reminding us of its sheer, unbridled power.